It doesn't drop on everybody standing.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me the chance, and I want to thank the CS for his response. Mr. Speaker, I also want to just thank the CS for mentioning and acknowledging that the 300 million that was put in Fangano Island was done by the previous administration. And I'm hoping that this administration will therefore ensure that it is tarmacked. But my question is this, Mr. Speaker. I've listened to the CS very carefully. That is putting back the blame to Parliament and also saying that the grass may look greener to somebody in Homa Bay, maybe because they don't know what's happening in Muranga. Now, I sit in the Budget Committee, so I look at the grass from the Budget Committee, and I know from the Budget Committee that there is iniquity. What I would like to ask is that time when he'll be coming for the Kamkunji, can he come with the amount that has been allocated for public participation? Because I'm shocked at the amounts. They are not even in Budget Committee that you are talking about. Can you come with the amounts that you are talking about being in public participation? The discretionary 7 billion that you have, and the rest of the budget, so that we know whether there's actually equity in every of those allocations.
Thank you.
Because otherwise we'll just be cheating each other here, Mr. Speaker. So can he please avail that for us? Because it's, I know he can't avail it now, but can he avail all that during the Kamkunji? Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Osoro.